Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. And we are going to be unboxing another Masters of the Universe Origins character. This time we're going to do Spikor. And just give you a look at the packaging real quick before we crack it open. Oh, just noticed it's got rock on it. Oh, and extender. Awesome. Can't wait to get that one there. And then it has this wave. The Stinkman Infiltrator. I picked up Mossman, Point Dread, and this guy here. This week actually. I've had this one for a while. I'm behind on opening my Origins figures, but I got the Snake Men Infiltrator for $5 clearance at Walmart, and then Moss Man was $17.99 and Point Dread was $19.99, so I ended up picking all three of them up. But enough about that stuff. We're here to check out Spikor, the untouchable master of evil combat. Let's crack it open, shall we? Well, not literally crack it open. Sounds like I'm gonna. Pull the comic out here. This is a shorter comic. The instructions for Spikor. Right there. Then we got this comic, The Fading Fortress. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to hold it vertically and it won't glare. So let's check it out. And bump the camera while I'm at it. You can pause it and read it if you would like. Vertical. Someday I'll learn my lesson here. And my dog's barking at something. And then on the back it shows the wave. So we have half this wave now. So we'll set that off to the side and let's get Spikor open here. Uh-oh, that one I broke open quite a bit. I didn't mean to do that. Have to glue that in a little bit. But we shall snip these up open. Like almost pretty much all the Origins figures have these. Holding them in. And let's go for this one. We've had freezing rain today. So a lot of noise going on outside, and my dogs have kind of been barking off and on at different things. It's kind of started to sleet this morning, but it got warm enough to where it melted quite a bit, so they didn't have the plows out. I don't think. I didn't hear them. Let's get Spikor. Oh, you got one on your neck. There's your spikes just holding you on. I think the spikes are just holding you on. Yep. There we go, Spikor. Head moves. Rubbery spikes. Has all the movement of all the other Origins figures, and they have this long, extended, I guess you call it the trident, maybe? I guess that's what I'd call it. Let's get rid of these things. They are not needed. Put on there, and then we'll just put the other one on here shortly. But yeah, moves like all the other ones. Been very fortunate. Some of my earlier Origins, the ankles were really loose on them. But yeah, the last ones that I've gotten have been awesome. I really don't have any of them that don't stand very well. They all stand fairly good, actually. So there we go. We'll have him do a little pose for you, acting all menacing-y. Let's move his head towards you. There he. Oh, look at that. And let's get his little spiky mace thing out, and the other trident part. So these, oh, we should flip this around and let you check out the back of that while we're doing this. So there he is all. We'll bring him up closer here. Put this down and get him up to the camera so you can see him. Side profile. My chair's spinning around. The back. The other side. And back to the front. So now that you got to get a closer look, let's pop off this this one here. And this is what the original one, there, pop that back in, would look like this. And then they all had the the rubber bands in them or whatever, so if you twisted them, then they go this way. And then this guy, if you had his hand out and went like this, and when he sprung back, the thing could shoot out. The trident would shoot out from there to like that. There he is in normal form, non-combat or non-striking form. Let's get the mace on his hand. Well, your thumb don't like to. There we go. There it is. So we go like that. And there's Spikor with his mace and the trident not extended. Give it a little closer look at the mace quick. There, check that out. That's a good pose. That's probably how I'll pose him on the shelf. But probably with the extended one. Looks a lot like the original one. And that is Spikor. What do they call him again? The untouchable master of evil combat. How about that? I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.